guys, Tommy Drone here. So these are finger lights for your skateboard, and they really work well. Now they're not going to be bright enough to use as like lights that you would see on a typical bicycle, but they're bright enough for people to see you when you're in the dark.
You can get these on Amazon, pack of 100. Let's see, look here. 25 blues, 25 greens, 25 reds, and 25 clear or white lights. These are party sticks, and they are finger lights. Turn on, and they're very, very bright, as you can see, super bright. With your finger lights, you can use 2 reds and 2 whites for the front. And what you're going to do is you're going to use 1 or 2 rubber bands. Take your 2 rubber bands, go through the trucks, or through, and you go around, and now you have a rubber band on. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger lights, and you're going to attach your finger lights to rubber bands. To show you, I'm going to turn the board over, and I'm going to put the finger lights on the top of the board so you can see how to do that on the bottom. Simply take your light, notice the light turns on here, right there, off, on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right behind the switch, okay, and I'll take this rubber band, go over and around and through to the back, and now it's on, and turn it on. Take your finger light, line up with the rubber band, take the rubber band, go over the front and bring it around to the back. Place it, and now you have 2 finger lights in front of the skateboard. So there's the red lights in the back, and the white lights in the front.
Now, again, I have to stress, they're bright, but they're not so bright that you can use them to visually see everything clearly in your path like you would with a higher end skateboard light. They're more just for fun, to light up your skateboard and make it look really, really cool. Anyway, these are finger lights, and they're really cool. Now, I do have the direct links below for you, so check that out.
When you're done riding, simply turn off the light. If you need to take the light off, you can just simply take off the rubber band and turn the lights off that way. Depending upon how long you ride, the lights are only going to last so long before eventually they do get fairly dim, as you can see here. They're not going to be super bright, but they're going to be bright enough for you to be visible to other people, and that helps.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of my idea of adding finger lights to my skateboard. You can do the same, actually. You can do it with anything, and as you see here, I just used a good old-fashioned rubber band and some finger lights. They're easy. They look really, really cool. Finger lights for your skateboard. It's cheap, it's easy to put on, and they look really cool.
And of course, if you're not using the finger lights on your skateboard, well, you can also use them for your fingers. So I hope you found this video helpful. These are just finger lights, and basically you just kind of put them on your fingers, turn them on, and you put them on your fingers. And what we're doing here is we're just attaching the finger lights to the trucks. And that was it. Got direct links below. Check it out. These lights are really good. Got these from Amazon. I paid, I think, about 15 bucks for the whole set. Pack of 100 lights. And they all work. You get the red, the white, the blue, and the green. And they all work really, really well.
Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. I got more really cool videos on the way. So please comment, like below, and I will talk to you guys next time.